Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. This is a tabletop chiller. Customer has called me. There is a lot of water inside the tabletop chiller and it's not cooling also. So see what is the reason. There is water. See, lot of water inside the chiller. See in the pan also water. For water, its reason is there is on the corner there is one drain pipe small that's blocked by dust. We have to clear the pipe by stick or something. You take like this stick and you just clear the pipe. See inside lot of dust, that's why it has blocked. See, now water is dropping in the drain pan and water will dry automatic from there. So I have cleaned and there was a lot of ice in the cooling coil because reason is this temperature meter has spoiled, that's why it's not cooling. So I've changed the temperature meter, then alhamdulillah it has been okay.